appreciate it.
Konnichiwa! Welcome back to our channel, episode 3 of our Kracie Popin Cookin adventure.
And today we're going to cook with the sushi box. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
and turn on notifications so that you can have a look at all the episodes. We're going to give out the English instructions. We're going to show you how to make them so you can make them at home too. These are really fun toys and it has very educational instructions so that your kids can follow along and play and eat them too. So let's get started. Okay, let's open it up.
ooh, I see bowls and plates. Quick tip, when you're opening the packaging, don't cut this open by hand. Use scissors because it's also part of the toy too.
Yep, as you can see, these are actually the plates where our little sushis are gonna go. All right, let's cut. So there's lines to cut the packaging, but obviously it's a bit tricky. We're just gonna go outside of it first. Oh, this is the exciting bit. Ooh. All right, before we have a look at the inside, we're just gonna quickly cut up all of this. Just along the lines. It's very, very easy to see where to cut. So we're gonna try and make it look really pretty. Hey look, it's the same color as our chopping board.
Oh yeah.
What are the chances of that?
Blends in. Camouflage.
Camouflage or camouflage?
Camouflage.
Okay. Am I cutting okay?
Yes.
You're giving me the boring job, aren't you?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Okay, I think it's good enough. Oops. Just a little bit to go. Snip. Okay, put the rubbish away. We don't want to eat plastic. Okay, so we're going to show you what is inside the box. So first of all, the biggest packet from the top is your rice. That's the first one you use, and it's in order, so it's pretty cool. And that is your egg and your tuna mix. Then you have your spherification. This is really, really cool. This is the same things that we're using in modern cuisine, spherification. So there's one solution which often contains calcium and another solution which contains sodium, and when they touch they make polymers or edible plastic, so like seaweed jellies, all of those things. And these come from seaweed extract, so it's all edible and it's quite fun because you make little bubbles and they look like the pearls from bubble tea if you have seen them, and they're very fun to eat and very fun to make. The last packet is soy sauce, and we also have very chewy candy. Oh, this is going to be fun. So I'm going to leave that there, and we have all our tools in here, and we don't have to cut the box this time. It comes with, I don't know if you can see it, you can see the pattern, so that looks exactly like the egg rolls that we get in sushi shops, and that's the pattern of the fish, of the flesh of the fish. So this here is for rinsing our spoon if we need to, so we're just gonna fill it up.
So first step, all you want to do is cut this open and pour your rice into the big area where it says number 1.
And how much water am I supposed to put?
Fill it to exactly the line.
Okay, 1. So we're going right to left. I think Japanese books are right to left. I think that's why they've done it that way. Get just to the line. Maybe a few more drops. I think that's pretty good. What do you think? Is that enough water?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, be very careful not to spill it on the other end.
Whoa!
You nearly spilled it.
That's a lot of rice powder.
Yeah, alright. Oh my gosh.
It smells sweet and fizzy and delicious.
And we can rinse our spoon in the rinsing compartment. Just squeeze and then put it into the water. There's a line. You'll see it, it's very, very clear. There's a line there. I'm gonna bend over, make sure it's like on the line. We don't want to over put the water.
Perfect.
So these take 3 minutes to set. By the time you're done with all the other ones, it should be okay. Now the egg is yellow and the pink one is tuna. So you can snip it with your fingers, but I like to use scissors. It's so much easier for me. So like big hands. Shake, 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 shake. So the powder goes to the bottom. Snip the top. Now, this is one of the few times that I'm gonna say don't cross-contaminate, which means
Don't mix these two up.
or any of the powders up, because we're actually doing a chemical reaction, a safe one, just like the ones that happen in cooking or baking a cake. But if you mix the wrong things together, you're just gonna get one even clump of jelly. We'll show you later why it's so cool and why it's important. All right, I'm going to do the egg, which is this pattern here, the circular pattern. So I'm gonna use the yellow, and Ella's gonna do the tuna. Now don't pour it this way. I'm gonna take turns. So I'm gonna pour it this way, up and down, so that we don't spill anything. Be very, very careful. I'll let you pour. Good job. Okay. I feel like eating 2-minute noodles with all these packets. Okay, so make sure you mix all the water in. Every single clump is evenly spread. A bit more orange. Okay, once you feel like, just chop, 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 chop like this, Ella. So it breaks up any lumps, and then give it a mix, like slowly. Okay, now the idea is they've given you a spoon that's exactly the right height. So we're going to spread it. Don't take too long because it's actually setting. Okay, while that is setting, it's going to take 3 minutes. We're going to do the A and B packet. So again, fill the water to the line. Which one do you think goes where, Ella?
So it says here on the packaging B. So B will go at the B area and the A will go in the A area.
Oh, very clever. Okay, this one is the one that you really can't contaminate. So you can mix A first.
Okay.
I think this is the one that has sodium alginate. So mix A really well. And this is B. Okay, you can't contaminate. Oh, that smells like, you know, those vitamin C, the orange flavor vitamin C. Okay, we're gonna mix that until it dissolves. You're gonna mix yours until it dissolves really gently. Oh, nearly. So you squeeze it really tight. Then you get suck up all the orange liquid as much as you can. And then from 3 centimeters above, which is perfect height of the container, you're gonna squeeze really slowly. So these are our plates. We need the rice. Oh, very cute rice. And how big is the blob? The blob is going to be, where's the actual spoon for it? Oh, you have it. So, oh, it's gonna be difficult. So you're gonna try and make this long shape. I'm just gonna divide this into 4. Oh, while you fix that, I'm gonna open this. Oh, I can try to open it this way. Nope. I think I have to press this out, but I'm gonna try to split it in 2. And then a little bit. Okay, you can try that one. I want to use this for something else. I'll show you later.
Okay.
Okay, I think mine is done. You're supposed to like just press it out, Ella.
Okay.
So mine's okay. I'm gonna use that shiny side to wrap one of these guys. Oh, it just reaches. Does it reach? Yep, it just reaches. Come on, fold over.
Perfect.
pretty happy with mine.
Oh, it's not bad.
It was pretty good actually. Now this one, I'm going to roll it. You can roll how long you can roll. You reckon that's long enough for later?
Yeah, probably.
You reckon it's long enough for 2? It's like, I reckon we can flatten that. How are we going to flatten it? Our fingers?
Yeah, probably.
You want to do it your side? You're going to break it. Just go gentle and slowly. Ooh. This is extra, it's not part of the instructions. But we thought it was cool, so we're going to do that. We'll see at sushi restaurants. Alright, fun part, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so all the ingredients are there. That's the soy sauce. Alright, let's cut it up, see if it's set. It's been more than 3 minutes. So we're going to go with tuna first. Okay, so moment of truth. Is it set? Is it set?
Oh, it's set.
And look at that. Can you see in the camera? Okay, we're just going to put that on my fish. Then I'm going to show you the egg. Fish on my fish. Alright, let's see if the egg worked. Whoa, look at that. This goes on my rice bowl. Okay, now
My turn.
your turn. Alright, this is the funnest bit. Okay, let's see if it came out. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa.
That is amazing. So I'm going to put that in my sushi. Really careful. I think I can fit 2 more bowls.
3 more balls.
Right, I think we're going to put the last little egg bit on this one.
Because that is going to be my special one.
And I'm going to use this, what I'm doing now. No, it's a seaweed line, you know? That looks like a real sushi now. You can have that if you want for anything.
Yes.
Whoa, look at that.
Extra shrimp.
You're crazy. Okay, we're just gonna put it there because it's cleaner. But you can use that because it's soy sauce, it's brown, you can't see anything. Oh, that's definitely smells like cola. Oh, that is weird. Dipping sushi in cola. Now we have the soy sauce. Oh, it's so pretty. Which one should we put it? I think on the egg will look nice.
Yeah.
Let's try on the egg. Oh, I don't want to contaminate it. It's got soy sauce on my hair, in your hair. Okay, soy sauce. Ready, Ella? 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
Really good.
This one actually tastes nice. Much better than the other boxes. I'm gonna try the tuna bit by itself. Tastes like mushy jelly. Okay, I'm gonna try this sticky rice that we've been playing for. Oh, the rice tastes like mochi.
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, this one is our favorite so far. It's sweet, but tastes like really yummy lollies. A little bit of bubble gum. Which one was tastes like bubble gum? I think the rice smelled like bubble gum, and it was chewy like a dessert mochi. If you had mochi before, it's a rice sticky chewy texture. It's actually quite nice and quite fun in your mouth. And the balls actually pop. So I think this is really cool. Like in modern high class, high-end restaurants, there's a lot of spherification, and you can do it at home with your kids, so that is really cool. So an introduction on how to make spheres, all edible, all safe, from seaweed extracts, really fun. While Ella finishes chewing her sushi, we would love to hear from you because you're watching, and we know you're watching, but we can't hear you. So comment down below whether you thought her sushis or my sushis were better. And also tell me, what did you like? Did you like the tuna roll, the egg roll, or the one with tobiko balls on top, the one with the little balls on top? We thought it was really fun. What would you rate it?
Millions and millions and millions. It's better than the first few kits.
and we've learned about spherification, polymerization, so that is really fun and it's all safe and edible. That's really cool. Thank you, Japan, for creating all these things. If you want to know more about it, please message me, comment down below. If you have any ideas of what else you want us to try, let us know. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to share this video so more children can have fun. These are readily available from most Asian stores now. If you don't know, send me a message. If I'm in your area, I'll let you know which stores to go to. And don't forget to subscribe, like,
and turn on the notification bell
so you can follow us and not miss an episode. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for all your support. I hope you stay tuned for the next episode next week. Bye!
Bye!
Did you have fun?
Yes.